Nabanggit mo yung nilalakit ka before when you were younger. Was there ever a particular panlalakit na talagang makinding tumama sa'yo ng bongga, na nag-stick sa'yo na talagang nasaktan ka ng todo? What was that?
Oh my God. Actually, hindi ko na nga, ganun na yata, wow, ganun na ka-unbothered, nakalimutan ko na. Yun nga, siguro, ang nag-stick lang sa akin siguro is that the line that I was never gonna make it because of, you know, I didn't look like everyone else. But, yun, nag-stick siya sa akin because, I'm not saying I made it, but I'm just saying that I'm happy where I am. Nag-stick siya sa akin because, yun, parang, hindi ako nagpatalo sa ganun na comment.
Naging challenge siya for you?
Parang, yes, naging challenge siya for me back then. And then eventually, nakalimutan ko na nga yun eh. Parang, hindi na siya naka-apekto sa akin. Kasi parang, yung on a day-to-day basis, wala akong ginawa kundi enjoy yung sarili ko pag nagtatrabaho ako or kung saan man ako pumunta. And I think people would feel that. And I love surrounding myself with people like that. So, yeah.
And of course you made it. Look at you now, di ba?
Just like that.
Kung makikita ka mo namang nalalaki sa'yo before. Tapos sinabagay mo yung... Di ba?
You're endorsing a beauty product and kanina it struck with us na when you were starting, you were saying na you got bullied because you were dark. Tama ba? You were overweight? Tama
Yes. So many things. Overweight, flat-chested, dark, all of these things.
Masakit sa Tagalog yun Ano, maitim, ano?
Oh, yung mga ganyan. So it's just like, it's part of it. You know, parang people will always say certain things, but then you should never let these comments get to you. Just live your life on a day-to-day basis na enjoy yourself and enjoy your work and enjoy just being happy. Parang,
ngayon na in-embrace mo, I mean, yan ang in na kulay. Di ba sabi mo sa Hollywood, yun pa yung pinuri nila. Di ba? Na paano ma-achieve yan?
Well, sabihin, it's like, thanks for being Filipino.
And tsaka hindi ka na pressure magpagawa ng boobs.
No, I mean like matigas nga talaga yung ulo ko before. I was one of those people talaga na, so what if I'm like this? Yung stubborn talaga ako. And I think that helped me a lot. I don't know kung saan ko nakuha yung mindset na yun. But then, thankful ako kasi now, parang I just realized na parang what makes you different, what makes you unique is what's gonna make you stand out, what's gonna make you shine.
You are the standard now.
Oh, wow.
Really, di ba? Parang model.